Imagine, for a moment, that the universe is not a place you live in, but a place that lives through you. We've all heard the famous paradoxes. What came first, the chicken or the egg? If a tree falls in a forest and no one is there to hear it, does it make a sound? Quantum physics tells us the universe exists in a haze of possibilities, until something watches. For 100 years, science has politely ignored that last part. The observer. We built equations to describe particles, fields, black holes, the Big Bang. But we left out the one thing that makes all of it real. Us. Today, I want to show you that this wasn't an oversight. It was a blind spot. The missing term in every equation of physics. Because consciousness isn't a side effect of the universe. Consciousness is the origin of the universe. Let's begin with a single idea. Without identity, nothing can exist. Identity is the difference between everything and one thing. The moment something says, "I am this," it must also say, "I am not everything else." That boundary, that separation, is the birth of reality. From identity comes observation. From observation comes collapse, choosing one reality from infinite possibilities. From collapse comes motion. Motion becomes time. Time becomes memory. Memory becomes self-awareness, which reinforces the original identity. This is the six-dimensional recursive ID operator loop. It's not philosophy. It's now a set of mathematical equations that predict new physics. They predict that your attention changes what becomes real, that your focus alters probability, that coordinated human minds can shift the very timing of quantum events. Let me say that again. Your mind is not observing the universe. Your mind is building it. And here's the best part. We can prove it. We now have 4 laboratory experiments. Peer review quality. Designed to measure the limits of consciousness forming reality. Focused observation shifting quantum outcomes. Attention biasing collapse probabilities. Groups of observers syncing entanglement behavior. Distraction literally slowing the speed of reality formation. This is not magic. This is physics finally admitting the truth. The observer is the source code. When Einstein said we must not separate the universe from the observer, he didn't have the mathematics to finish the thought. Now we do. What does this mean for us? It means reality is not something that happens to you. It's something that happens because of you. Because you watch. Because you remember. Because you care. Every decision, every collapse, is identity expressing itself into the world. You are not a spectator in this universe. You are a co-author. And once humanity understands that, once we realize we aren't passengers but pilots, we won't just ask, "What is the universe?" We will finally ask, "Who are we becoming?"